In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix a frozen Android device. So the first thing we need to locate is the volume down and also the lock button. If your device has a physical home button down at the bottom, you will have to hold this as well. So what you need to do essentially is you need to hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for around 10 to 15 seconds. What this will essentially do is it will do a force restart. So it's now gone completely black. So you now know you are doing this correctly and you want to hold these down until you see the Samsung logo. So keep holding down the volume down button and also the lock button until you see the Samsung logo to make sure you force reset this device correctly. And as you can see now, it is now turning back on. So here is now where you can then release the buttons and you can then wait for this to turn back on. So obviously it will take a couple of seconds here just to turn back on. But once you do this, this will then allow you to be able to get off the frozen screen or frozen app or whatever problem you are having on your device. So as you can see now, I can then swipe, I can unlock, and I can start using my device as I would normally. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix a frozen Android device.